Hey everyone, my name is Jared. I'm going to show you some pretty cool AI art and video creations today. This was all created on the Invideo platform. Hugely appreciative of them sponsoring this video. Invideo is a really cool platform because it brings in a lot of third-party partner models, from images to video generation, but it blends together with different workflows. And this means that you can focus more on the creativity side of what you want to do, and let Invideo do more of the heavy lifting for you. And it puts it together really simply in these workflows. I'm going to show you a couple examples today. First one is a tool called Money Shot, and this is where you can make pretty cool cinematic adverts for products or for experiences or lifestyle experiences with just a few images. It's pretty simple. You want to create a bunch of different images in the style that you want. So in this case, I wanted to do a food product, this paella, made me really hungry doing this, and get some different images of it. You can create the images directly on Invideo. Try and get different angles of the footage, what you're trying to do, especially if it's a product, give it different angles of it, different footage, different styles of how you want things to be. Select the type of money shot that you want. In the case I wanted a food related one, and you can edit the prompt slightly here to get that final visual, and then hit generate.
Golden saffron rice, tender chicken, and the freshest seafood, cooked to perfection, finished with a squeeze of bright lemon to awaken every flavor. Every spoonful, a taste of the coast, steeped in Spanish tradition. Paella.
Another one is called dynamic captions. So if you want to put captions on your video, it used to be a very painstaking process if you're having to manually type in those captions, but within video you can upload short different videos here of someone talking, maybe it's yourself, maybe it's a character. You can select the type of caption you want on the video. Play around with here because there's a lot of different styles, and all it requires is you dropping the video in, selecting the caption that you want, and let Invideo do the rest.
I got the greatest photos ever today. Can't wait to show you all. This is just amazing.
Last one I wanted to show you was looks, and this is where you can go from one image and you can completely change the color correction and filters on them to give you different options here. So from one image, it gives you this grid-like pattern of 9 different looks while keeping the same consistency of the character or the image that you have. You can even throw that image into a video tool and it will animate it for you. But from here, you're able to select the different shots that you want, the different looks that you want here to create more of them. This is a really cool way to make sure you get the look that you want out of any image that you generate, so you can generate more with that similar style. Pretty cool way to do it, and then you can just cut out the shot that you want using a different tool here on Invideo. It retains the quality, it retains the consistency and the character, just changes the look of the image and the filters and the color correction of it. I like creative platforms that give you more impactful workflow. So a lot of platforms out there that give you access to all the tools, but pulling them all together can be quite tedious. And I think what Invideo really does really well is that it uses those third-party connectors to all those tools out there and gives you workflows that are impactful. And I think a lot of this is very, very useful if you're coming up with different ideas, you're brainstorming, you're iterating how a product could look, how an advert could look, how the look of a video could be. It's a really good and fast way to do it. So I really recommend going in and checking it out.